Today we are going to prepare beef stir fry with sweet soy paste. Now these are the ingredients. Main ingredient is beef. Then we have next important ingredient, sweet soybean paste. Then we have cut spring onion and striped ginger, stripe cut ginger. We have cornstarch powder, salt, pepper powder, hoisin sauce, dark soy sauce. Now that's the hoisin sauce available in Chinese supermarkets.
Like this?
To start with, cut spring onion longitudinal way, long side. That's the spring onion cut in the longitudinal way. Remove skins and fat parts from beef and then start cutting. Cut meat into stripes. Put cut meat into the bowl. Put little bit of light soy sauce, about 2 teaspoons, and few ginger stripes, and then mix it. Add Chinese spices powder, mixed spices.
Otherwise, can put a black powder, black pepper powder also okay. You don't have Chinese one.
Yeah, as an alternative, you can use black pepper powder.
Sesame oil. Forgot this.
Now add
Sesame oil.
Now add sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons. Add sesame oil, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons, and mix them. This is seasoning the meat. Add a bit of baking soda to make meat softer. When you add baking soda, the meat becomes softer while cooking. Add a bit of water if it is too dry. Now add a bit of cornstarch powder. Cornstarch powder.
I put more oil because
and
I
add
want this stick.
Oil. Can use any kind of oil, but we use mustard oil. You can use either corn oil, canola oil to be healthy, or if you are not so much concerned about health, you can use cooking oil, normal cooking oil, and mix it properly.
Put the oil inside to make it separate when we fry.
Yeah. The reason for adding oil is to keep meat separated while frying. And what is the reason for adding cornstarch powder?
Cornstarch powder also make it soft. When the meat you put the cornstarch powder, make it soft.
It makes the meat softer.
Yeah.
Now make sauce.
Yeah.
Add a bit of light soy sauce, which is about, say, 1 to 2 teaspoons, and then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sweet soy paste.
Soybean paste.
Sweet soybean paste.
1
Then add 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce.
Yeah.
Hoisin sauce gives an authentic Chinese flavor.
Little dark soy.
Then add about half teaspoon of dark soy sauce or 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. This is preparation of the sauce. Now mix the mixture properly so that everything is dissolved. Add
Cornstarch.
cornstarch powder about 1 full teaspoon and mix it properly. Put a frying pan on the stove, add oil. You can add any cooking oil, but we use mustard oil. To be healthy, you can use mustard oil, avocado oil, corn oil, or canola oil.
Put this little also.
Add a bit of mixed Chinese spices. Instead, you can add black pepper powder too. Now add the striped ginger and spring onion.
Okay.
Now add
Meat.
meat, already seasoned meat. Seasoning was done about 10 to 15 minutes. Now mix it so that meat do not stick together or stick to the pan, or to avoid burning. Now add the blended mixture of sauces.
Alright.
Cover it. Now it looks like this. It seems more gravy there. To reduce the gravy quantity, you keep on heat, preferably with a higher flame. The idea is to make it creamier rather than liquidy. After about 10 minutes of cooking, now the dish is more creamier, and how it looks like this. Now add the whole thing into the striped spring onion plate. That's the special way of cooking this dish. That's the finished dish.
You know, when we eat, we take these and then take these together eat.
Okay, show me.
Suppose when we eat, you know, we take this one, put this one together like this eat.
That's the way. That's how you eat it.
In Chinese, 京酱柚汁.
You use the spring onion with meat together.
Yeah,
This is how you eat it.
yeah.
Take a roti, put
You prepare
shredded
something.
potato,
Yeah.
and then add
Onion with the egg. Then this one we eat like this. Put this inside together with the onion like this.
that's onion with eggs.
Then,
Make it a pancake.
yeah, like this, then like this, we are folding like this.
Then you can eat it as a pancake.